Good morning, students. In my previous video, I have explained about the poetess of the poem Teamwork, Jane Negro. In this video, I am going to explain about the meaning of the poem Teamwork. Let's see what the poetess want to say in this poem. Teamwork, teamwork, together we can make our dream work. When we will share the joy of what we have done, teamwork, everyone. Here, the poet wants to say that when we work together in a team, then it's very easy for us to make our dream true. And after getting the success, we all celebrate our joy in a team very happily. So, everyone should work in a team. It's a fun to shoot the basketball through the hoop. But if nobody passes them, nobody shoots. And the relay race just can't go on if nobody wants to pass the baton. In this paragraph, the poetess has given some examples of teamwork. She wants to say that in the game of basketball, if everyone passes the ball, then it's very easy to reach near the hoop and it's very easy to achieve the goal. Similarly, in the race of relay, if everybody passes the baton properly, then it's very easy to get success. So, it's very important to work in a team. We are the parts that make up the whole, and we have got our eye on a common goal. Sometimes it can be a big plus when a you or a me becomes an us. In the last paragraph, the poetess has explained that if we work together in a team, then it's very easy to achieve the goal because everyone keeps their eye on the same goal. And if we work together in a team, then it's very easy to achieve anything. So he wants to say that me is not good, but us is best. Let's see the rhyming scheme of the poem. As I have explained to you all that to find out the rhyming scheme of the poem, you have to see the rhyming words of the poem. Here I have marked the rhyming scheme of the poem through A and B. The rhyming scheme of first paragraph is AABB. Similarly, the rhyming scheme of second paragraph is also AABB, and the rhyming scheme of the third paragraph is also AABB. So, the rhyming scheme of the poem is AABB, AABB, AABB. Now come to the summary of the poem. In the poem Teamwork, the poetess Jane Negro is explaining about the importance of teamwork in our life. According to her, teamwork is very important. We can make our dream come true by working together, and we can share our joy of achieving something. It's a fun to put the ball together, the ring, in the game of basketball, but we cannot shoot it if there is no one to pass it on. Similarly, relay race can't go on if no one passes the baton. When we work together, we come strong, and then it is easy to achieve a common goal. In this poem, the poetess has explained the true meaning of victory. She wants to say that working together in a team can give a easy success. So, we should work together as a team. Students, you all have to write about the poetess and the summary of the poem in your note. In my next video, I will come with some new words of the poem and with the exercise of this poem.